we are moving towards this third basic logic gates, that is known as AND gate. Okay. Now this AND gate is logic AND gate. AND means if A and B are high, then and then only its output will be high. So we are talking about two input AND gate. Okay, if inputs are 2, you can say that 2 raised to 2, that is equal to 4 possible combinations. Okay, and that 4 possible combinations are plotted in this table. These are input and output. Inputs are 2, say for example A and B, and output is Y. And its Boolean expression Y is equal to A and B. This dot is read as AND. Okay, and 4 possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now as this logic gate says, when A and B both are high, then and then only its output will be 1. So write 1 over here because both are high. Otherwise write 0. Okay. So similarly you can say that this is truth table, and we have to draw the wave shape also. So its waveforms are like this. Say this is input A and its logic 0, and this is logic 1. This is input B, its logic 0 and logic 1, and its output Y, this is logic 0 and logic 1. So initially we are giving both as 0. So this is 0, this is also 0, and up to this instant we'll get output is equal to 0. So output is equal to 0. Next is A is 0. A remains 0 up to next clock signal. But B is converting from 0 to 1. So here this becomes 0 to 1. Fine. But at the same instant you will get output is equal to 0. So there will remain 0. So you can say that this is 0, 0, 0. This is 1, 0. Again you will get 0. Next is this A is converted from 0 to 1. So A becomes 0 to 1 up to this next clock signal. Okay. And B becomes from 1 to 0. So this becomes from 1 to 0. Up to this instant it remains 0. So this is 0 and 1. Again you can see its output will be 0. So you'll get output is equal to 0 up to this instant. Now see here A remains 1. So here A remains 1 up to next clock signal, and B becomes 0 to 1. So this is 0 to 1. So you can say that this is 1. This is also 1. At the same instant you will get output is equal to 1, which is converted from 0 to 1. So you can say that it becomes 1 now. So this is 1, 1, 1 and 1. So this is verified. Fine. And now this truth table is verified using this kit. Fine. So you can see this is AND gate, 2 input AND gate. Okay. This Y output is connected over here. And initially we are doing this, performing this. A and B both are 0. So this is A connected to 0. Similarly B is also connected to 0. So both are 0. Okay. And its output Y, you can see here when I am switching it on, output LED is off. Means it is 0. So you can verify 0. Here also 0, 0 and output is 0. Okay, now moving towards this 0, A is 0, means this A is 0. Here we are connecting this B to 1. Okay, so A is 0, B is 1, its output is also 0. You can see here the LED is off. Fine. Now moving towards this, A is 1 and B is 0. So this A is 1 and B is 0. Okay. Again at that instant this LED is 0. So you can verify the output is 0. Output becomes 1 only when both the inputs are 1. So I am connecting both the input to this logic 1. You can see. And at that instant only this output Y becomes 1. So this truth table is verified. So this is related to AND gate.